Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to talk about something interesting and something new, and all the topics are actually interesting because we are talking about the Java as a means how you can start your journey as a Java beginner, Java developer. Okay, so all the topics are very important. If you have not watched them, please go and watch them. And last time I make one video which is good compiler for you, online compiler or local software compiler. So if you have not watched that video, please go and watch. And that video is in English actually, in Hindi actually. So if you will tell or make comment, I will make that video for you in English also. Okay, so let's start today's topic, and today's topic is queue in Java. Okay, so what is queue in Java? The queue interface is present in java.util package, and it sends the collection interface. So it's already in English. What I will explain you in English, I will try to just break down these things in easy language. So just don't look at there, look at the my face, and I will explain you like what is the queue in Java. So you can say that queue is the part of collection framework. Okay, like collection, it's a part of the collection framework, and it's contained the java.util package. And the main work of the queue is first in first out. Like you can see here, it is used to hold the element about to be processed. Okay, it also hold the element like your array list, linked list, link, and like you can say stack. It also hold the element, but it process the data in another way, like first in first out. Whatever data will first enter, that data will get first out. Okay, I will compare this with stack also, so we'll get more clear idea about this one. And last one is it is the inserting element at the end of the list and deleting element from the start of the list. So these things will get clear more by, you can see this one by sketch, that will be more get clear. So let me make you here a stack for you. Okay, a stack. Okay, and another one is QUE. Okay, so in stack you can see we are making one bucket and we are storing some data. Okay, storing some data. So if you will see, first I store this one. Okay, like in stack, whatever we will store first, that will go to the bottom, and whatever we have stored last, that will be look at the top. Okay, so whenever try to grab data, it will grab from here only, first one. Like last one which you have keep in bucket, first that will grab. But in case of queue, whatever you first will enter, first out. Okay, whatever data you will get enter here, it will get out from here. Okay, one end and another end is out. Like train is entering into the tunnel, like train engine will enter first into the tunnel and train engine will get out from the tunnel first. Okay, same way it's working. Let me explain these things in real life, because you will say what the things going here, like you are taking the train example and all. So whenever you will go for the some task, live task, they will data will get stored somewhere. Okay, data will get some stored at the some places. Okay, and you have to just code, like we cannot store all the data. Okay, sometimes we need to delete the data, so you will write some logic there, like you want to delete those data which came first in that folder. Okay, you want to delete those data which came first in that folder, so you will write logic for that also, like you will pass some data concept and all, so that will delete the data which enter first there. Okay, like this one. And here also it will work like stack also, like first enter will be go to bottom, last enter will grab first. Okay, so in case of you want to grab the data of the last 2 days, you will use stack concept here. Or for the queue, you can enter like you want to delete those data which came last time. Okay, like first time which came, you want to delete those, so you can use the queue concept. And let's see the syntax based on queue. Okay, so that will get more clear about this one. So how to write the queue, how to create queue first. Queue integer type, I am data type inserting, then I will type integer, you can type double string, anything, and this is the name of the queue, and new linked list, and the which type of data you are inserting here. And now how you can add the data in your queue. So your queue name dot add, and the element, which element you are going to add here. So I have added 5 elements, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and I have written first in will be first out. So if you want to find the size of your queue, how you can find myQ.size. Okay, you will write this one system.out.println, it will print you the what is the size of your queue. Okay, then myQ.pick, it will pick the first element. What is the pick mean? Pick will just pick the data, will show you this is your data, and then data will remain in your bucket only. But in case of remove, data will completely delete from your bucket. This is the logic of the remove and pick. Okay, so I am removing data here. Okay, and how this is working here, not my queue dot is empty. This is the sign of not. Okay, whenever you will write some logic, like I am writing here, okay, while loop writing, so not my queue dot is empty. I am writing, I am just making this one like my queue. If my queue is empty, it's okay. If my queue is not empty, then it will remove the data. If my queue is not empty, then remove the data. So it will, loop will go one by one by one by one, and completely it will repeat, and whenever the data will be get deleted, removed, all the data will be removed, the you know what, the program will get stopped there only. Okay, and it will execute. So if I will run this one Java application, you can see here size of the queue. Here I have written like in 17 line size. Here I am just picking the element 10. Okay, so 10 it will pick and it will show you, and data will be stored there. Because how you can get that one, whenever you will put the remove, it will remove the 10. It means the 10 is already there. Okay, it will only pick, not deleted. And it first it will delete 10, then 20, then 30, then 50 and 40, and then the program will be get ended. Okay, so that's all for today topic, and I hope you have understand this one. So see you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.